You might recognise that as some people are walking around or moving or playing, that they become very aware of their shadow, or they just really enjoy watching and looking at their shadow behind them, whether it's following them, so it is behind them, or whether it's in front of them, or whether it's an object and that's casting a shadow. So for people who are looking for more visual input, who have a really high threshold, seeking out more sensations, so hyposensitive to visual information, they're going to really love that contrast. It's changing, constantly moving, whether it's in the classroom and the sun shining through the window. As the sun changes throughout the day, the shadow's going to change, the pattern's going to change. It's incredibly interesting for people who seek out that visual information. I know a lot of children that I used to support who would run around following shadows, crawling on shadows. It's really great to help them learn about how their body works as well. So it might also be that those young people and children are seeking out movement, so vestibular sensations as well as proprioceptive input. When I move my hand, the shadow changes, so I'm learning about my body by watching the shadow moving. So for most of the time, for people who watch shadows or follow shadows or move their body or move an object to create patterns and shadows, they're learning about their environment, they're seeking out more visual information, and most of the time if it's their body or they're moving or the way that the light's changing around them, it's about their sense of movement, their vestibular sense, and their sense of proprioception, their body awareness.